Welcome to a GrabCAD Print Pro tutorial. The split tool can be used to create two mating surfaces for parts larger than the machine's platform or to enhance the printability of a complex geometry. Select the part, open the split tool, define the split plane on the X, Y, or Z axis, and adjust the split face and angle as desired. Toggle the assembly feature on or off to group or assemble parts after splitting. Add registrations for precise reassembly, adjusting the size, depth, and clearance as desired. Rotating the view provides a preview of the mating surfaces to be generated. Select Split Model, then Orient Parts for printing. Parts can be reassembled for a preview. This may cause you to lose orientations and tray placement.